Hello and welcome to On Air with AIB. I'm Rohan Joshi.
And I'm Ashish Shakya. Now we hope you had a happy Diwali, unless you're Narendra Modi, in which case, bro, it's okay. बड़े-बड़े states में बड़े-बड़े losses होते रहते हैं. And on that note, we begin our show by launching straight into Bihar, the state whose accent everyone thinks they can do, but they can't. They really know.
Seriously, guys, you sound like Shekhar Suman trying to sound like Lalu Prasad Yadav. All right? Adding wa to the end of every word does not make it an accent. Fatwa is not how Biharis say fat. Seriously. So seriously, fuckwa you are, stop this shitwa. This week, you might have heard something super important happened in Bihar.
It is the big Bihar verdict. That's our top focus story. The JDU plus scoring ahead, surging ahead on 180 seats. The BJP plus at 58.
That's right. The NDA was defeated by the Dudley boys of Bihar, Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad Yadav. I just have to say, BJP, you know you messed up when people are actually celebrating the return of Lalu Prasad Yadav. Like Lalu, this is the guy under whom Bihar's #1 crop was ransomed. Like Lalu Prasad Yadav is the answer to the question, what if corruption and Raju Srivastav had a baby?
Results day was not a good day for Narendra Modi. Not only did the BJP lose, but he also had to go to LK Advani's house and wish him happy birthday. Just look at that. Just look at the two of them. Modi looks like he's at a party that his mother forced him to go to. बेटा shake hand करो बेटा. नहीं बेटा, good boy की तरह shake hand करो बेटा. बेटा shake hand करो. No, please shake hand. Good boy.
Modi is looking at Advani like he got him run out. They actually look like an online couple that has just met for the first time and realized that they look nothing like their display pictures. Pro tip, guys, never believe a top angle selfie. And if there are two people in the photo, it is always the uglier one.
And just look at Advani. Like, Advani looks like he's dying to say something snarky. Like he's one step away from going full childish.
देखिए अडवाणी जी
देखिए अडवाणी जी
नहीं अडवाणी जी अडवाणी जी सुनिए अडवाणी जी देख You know what, अडवाणी जी रहने दीजिए मैं आपको बर्थडे गिफ्ट भी नहीं दे रहा फिर
वो तो नीतीश ने ऑलरेडी दे दिया है
Now, a lot has been said about the victory and the implications of the victory and all of that. But we want to talk about the circus that always surrounds an election result in this country. First up, the media coverage. I love media coverage during elections. Like this time early in the day when NDTV basically forgot how to count.
हमारे आंकड़ों के हिसाब से अभी जो हमारी डेटा एंट्री थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकी हुई है तो उसके हिसाब से बीजेपी की सरकार बन रही है
Yes, NDTV actually declared BJP the winner at 9:30 in the morning. At that point, you could have gotten better election news on Zoom TV. Hi, and welcome to the Zoom TV. Today, Vivek Oberoi quoted as saying, BJP stands for Bhai ne jor se pita.
And all this on NDTV despite the fact that Yogendra Yadav, one of the country's top analysts, was sitting right there. Yes. Yogendra Yadav, the Rajiv Masand of poll results. Yogendra Yadav, the reason Arvind Kejriwal listens to Arijit Singh songs at night. But, to his credit, Pranoy Roy did actually apologize for the NDTV goof up. See, that's cool. Arnab Goswami would never do that. He would just be like, I am not wrong. The people of Bihar are wrong. Maths is wrong. Counting is wrong. Arya Bhatta was wrong.
Exit polls are also why every news channel looks like a chatai for one day.
Those people screaming from multiple windows just looks like aunties in a chawl, yelling at each other from their balconies. तेरे घर से पानी टपक रहा है मेरे छपरे पे एक उल्टा.
वो बोला भिंडी 50 रुपए तो मैंने ढाप लिया.
अबे तेरा मरद से बॉम्बिल का बास आता है रे, मेरे बेटे ने रबर बॉल खा लिया.
And then after all that, things got worse. Because it was time for the gallant concession, where the person who loses has to call the winner and congratulate them. Narendra Modi and Nitish Kumar also had that conversation.
This is what the Prime Minister tweeted. Had a telephone conversation with Shri Nitish Kumar and congratulated him on the victory. To which Nitish Kumar said, just received a phone call from the Prime Minister congratulating me. Thank you, Modi ji.
This, yeah, it's just... You know what this is, right? Like, this is the political equivalent of having to go to your ex's wedding and congratulating them. Just, hey, congratulations, all the best. I'm so happy for you, yeah. So happy. You, take care of him, huh? Take care of him. And if he hurts you, you tell me, yeah? You tell me. No, seriously, tell me. Alliance banayenge. Zarurat padegi.
This is one of those phone calls where I wish I could hear the 10 seconds before the call was made and the 10 seconds after the phone was put down. Because you know that's where the real feelings are hiding, right? Like when your boss calls you at 11 o'clock on a Friday night. बे क्या चाहिए यार इस सुअर के बच्चे को अभी वापस पीपीटी चेंज करके बोला मैं नहीं कर रहा. हाँ बॉस हाँ change 2 slides. अरे हाँ no problem I'll do it right now. No problem. चूतिया. Also, I feel bad for the Prime Minister because one way or the other, all elections get fought in his name. You think he just gets tired of the pressure at some point? You think like the BJP is like our cricket team from the 90s. Sachin, followed by 10 guys who are not Sachin. Sachin out, TV band.
Then there's more sadness when the losing party has to cancel the celebratory crackers. In fact, this time BJP workers in Patna started bursting crackers when they thought they were ahead and then stopped when they realized they weren't. But in their defense, they actually said, what election? We were just bursting crackers for Advaniji's birthday, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
That is an amazing save. That is such a superb save that even Advani is sitting there going, see, I told you I was still useful to the party. I told you. And finally, let's spare a thought for mithai walas. Every election, both parties order a ton of mithai, and every year, one party has to return them.
This time also, local BJP workers ordered mithai in the morning and then had to cancel the order. It's so sad. All those party workers must have been looking forward to the mithai for months and it was taken away from them. Hey, BJP, at least now you know how much it sucks when you really want to eat something and you can't.
You think mithai walas give parties advice? Like you think like when the BJP guys go in there and like give me 2,000 boxes. Haan, done sir. RJD workers go in there, give me 2,000 boxes. Haan sir. Congress workers go in there and give me 2,000 boxes. देख ब्रो तू 15 खरीद.